what's up? It's your girl Persuasion, and I am back with another YouTube entry. But before we get started, I'm gonna need you to like, comment, and subscribe at the bottom and hit that notification bell at the top. I'm here with my best friend. Hold up, y'all. She in the kitchen cooking me tacos while I'm about to smash on these crab legs, sausage, and mussels. She allergic to seafood, so that's why I ain't get her ass none. That's, you know, and I don't like sharing seafood anyway, so. So, I'm gonna watch her cook, and y'all gonna watch me eat. And don't say, oh, you're eating a lot, you fat. Bitch, I ain't fat. I just like to eat. And I'm really waiting on Pose to come on. Honey. That's crazy. I just don't understand why y'all like the why people eat. Okay, I'm gonna fuck these crab legs up.
I knew as soon as I came over here, this was Hello? Yeah. Thank you.
It's so good. But y'all have to comment and tell me what's the whole reason behind these type of videos, because I honestly don't understand. Why y'all want to see people eat crab legs? You getting thick, best friend. Oh, I forgot that's your happy weight you said.
No, it is.
My best friend, every time she in love with the same person, she always gain her weight back. It's so weird. I already know they're back fucking with each other. It's been going on and off for years. They're crazy. I'm gonna be at the wedding with a shirt that say, oh shit. And then our other best friend gonna be next to me. They're gonna say, oh, finally.
You gonna take my shit and give it on me?
Yeah, that shit was funny. Actually, with my shit.
And I enhanced it.
And you enhanced it, yeah. So technically, it was me. My best friend, and she gonna make me fat. That's all right with me. Show me messing up these dishes and I done made, I done got crab legs. How was work, best friend?
No. That ain't lying. It was a good day today. It went fast. And I got to do my first write-up for the website, like first article write-up. Killed it!
Yeah,
It was one of those, what can't you do type moment, bitch. You know what I mean? Like, bitch, what can't you do?
What kind of tacos are you making?
Chicken, regular tacos, and steak. I really thought it which part was gonna be good. That's why I made got extra.
Oh,
That both be a little bit of video.
he a vegetarian.
Oh well, and most places. You know? But you can't sit down and eat dog food like I used to be. I would only used to bring enough for me and you been like, oh yeah, you better give them some of yours.
You stupid. Yeah, I'm glad you're not like that no more either. That was so good. I don't be knowing what y'all want me to say on here because I'm too busy eating this food. It's too good. I'm gonna try not to eat all of it.
That's a lie.
Because I want to say something to tomorrow. I'm really not even supposed to be eating this shit.
What you supposed to be eating?
Well, you know, due to my situation.
What happened?
Due to my situation, we not. Bitch, shut up. I got this juice all around my mouth.
What is this? Talk to me.
Bitch, shut up. Due to my situation, I'm not gonna be any people. Really?
I heard downstairs real quick. What else slides at?
On my feet.
Give them up, bitch. She better let me right back in too. I'm gonna post something with the door.
Let's take the key thing.
Give them up. Don't let that burn now. Yep.
How's she gonna tell me not to let nothing burn? I'm over here eating fucking crab legs. Oh my God. I had the seasoning on my nose. Why y'all didn't tell me? I got the food out in my nose. Why y'all ain't telling me? That shit fire. I'm sorry to tell y'all, but I don't like eating something for y'all can't handle it. Like, that ain't fair. Eat my food and can't handle it. I feel so bad. Oof, this shit's a little spicy. The roll bounces on TV. I'm trying to figure out what time it is. But the post about to come on. Can't wait till the post come on. My day was a little crazy today, y'all. Due to my injury. All I do is sleep all day. And then here go my dog. Move out the kitchen. Down. I just don't understand why I just can't stop eating crab legs.
Hey, so what type of guard dog is you, bitch? You supposed to start barking.
Don't call my dog a bitch.
Yeah. He supposed to bark.
He only bark when he know when nobody coming back. He knew your ass was coming back.
Bark, nigga.
He bark.
Bitch, your mama ain't searching.
So did it. My hands is full of seafood stuff.
He love you in that line.
Huh?
That's your line.
I'm not lying.
You know, I said that's your line to you. Seafood.
Yeah. You're allergic. And I don't want no juice to drop nowhere in you. We can infect you.
Hey, so you want taco?
Pay so big his ass in my goddamn kitchen.
As I said, he right at the invisible line. Don't follow him. Give him a little try.
Oh my God. And Am I the only one who don't eat the potatoes? I do not eat the potatoes in the seafood. It's so gross. What time is it? It's not 10 o'clock yet, I know.
Not right now.
Yeah, this movie go off at 10. I just want to make sure I don't miss pose.
What's up, Pixel? You be funny looking at
Bitch, you better stop talking about my goddamn dog. Boogie fever. Y'all don't understand. I don't like eating in front of people. This is so wrong because y'all cannot imagine how good this shit is right now. Y'all can only watch me. And that's fucked up. Like, I want a taco. It's starting to look good.
I'm gonna do beef and chicken and save my fish. Make that up another something.
Yeah.
This is only me and you.
Yeah. Oh my God, this is so good. Okay, y'all, I think I'm getting a little full. Best friend, can you hand me some napkins like that? She gonna do it.
What you said she could do?
Thank you.
Put a dropper right in front of your goddamn screen.
Okay, y'all, I think I'm kind of done with these crab legs.
Dang.
Yeah, I'm starting to get full, and I don't want to get too full and miss the taco. You know, you don't get full all the way on seafood. So, I'm out. I'm finna wait on these motherfucking tacos and my best friend about to eat. I hope y'all enjoy watching me eat this shit. Y'all asked for it. Y'all got it. So, go like, comment, subscribe at the bottom, and don't forget to hit that notification bell at the top. It's your girl Persuasion, and I'm out. Peace, love, and hair grease, bitch. I love y'all.